Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my trend guide. So this spring we are going over the hottest trends and showing easy outfit ideas to wear them at home. Today, in case you can't tell, we're talking about polka dots. Polka dots are back in a major way right now, and I wanted to show a more unique take on the trend, starting with a 3D polka dot. So if you take a close look at this dress, the polka dots are actually raised, and instead of like a traditional circle, they're more of a line shape, so you can really play with any dotted style you want. It doesn't have to be your traditional polka dot. So what I love about this dress is it's very flowy, and you can wear it to a brunch, you can wear it to work, and if it's a little chillier, the sleeve is always a nice touch. To dress it down a bit, I just added a denim jacket and added my favorite pair of white booties. Another way to do polka dots is with a polka dot skirt. This print also is not just the traditional dots, so the dots are all different sizes, which I feel like gives more of a painterly feel. So to wear it to the office, I just did a classic white button down and some pumps, and then for the weekend, I mixed my prints by doing stripes on top. I love a good stripe and polka dot mix moment, and then some sneakers on bottom. You could also do a pair of sandals. Another fun way to do polka dots is with denim. So there's lots of polka dot jeans out right now. I did a black and white print. For a more casual daytime look, I wanted to add a pop of color, so I just did a long sleeve tee in a lilac, which is huge this season, and then some white slip-on mules on bottom. For night, I wanted a more sleek black and white vibe, so I did a black crop top. Since the jeans are on the higher rise, I can do a crop top and not feel like I'm showing too much skin, and then just a basic black sandal on bottom. If polka dots feel a little bold to you, one more subtle way to do the trend is tonal polka dots. So this means the same polka dot color on the same background. So from far away, you can't even tell you're wearing a print, but up close, you have a modern take on the trend. I just paired the top with some jeans and some pumps for a fun night out. For a dressier event, you can wear the top with a fancier skirt, like this blush silk skirt. So when you're mixing your colors, as long as you stick to the neutral category, so nudes and blushes, you can really get away with mixing and matching different brands. So I hope that gave you some fun ideas on how to do polka dots this spring. If you want some more ideas, you can always check out my past video on polka dots. And I want to see how you are wearing the trends at home. So when you upload a photo to Instagram, just tag me at Sydney Summer and use the hashtag #SSTrendGuide. Every week I feature my Trend Girls of the Week over on my Insta stories and my weekly newsletter. You can always see more outfit ideas over on my blog, Sydney Style. And make sure to subscribe because there are tons more videos coming your way. Bye guys! Show some new outfit ideas. Oh god, that was a lot of cracks. Okay, so neutral.